Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Happy New Year. Welcome to 2020. Today I'm going to show you how I prepared New Year dinner because this video has been highly requested. A lot of my subscribers were like, hey, we need a cooking video. So I'm back with a cooking video and I showed you guys how I prepared this Gizdodo. Pretty simple and easy. If you want to see how we do that, please keep on watching. So I started with plantain, ripe, gorgeous plantain. And I'm just going to chop that and fry. Then I'm going to start off by boiling the gizzard. You need plantain and gizzard for this, and you can use whatever you want for the sauce. I already mixed my salad together and I just wanted to show you guys before I put it in the freezer for it to cool a bit. Back to frying. I fried a lot of plantain. Right now I'm just going to start boiling the spaghetti. Since I'm eating mine in spaghetti, I'm going to start boiling that. Right now I'm just going to fry the gizzard. I'm going to start frying onions and then I'm going to add a mix of pepper and tomato, blended pepper. Just going to allow that sit for a while I add my ingredients. Next up, I'm going to pour in some sweet corn. And then we're going to add that gizzard that we fried. I'm sorry if I sound somehow. I'm trying my best to talk and my voice is not just helping. So yeah, right now I added all my stir fry, my carrots, green beans, cabbage, and then I added the fried plantain. And this is it, guys. This is it. We're done. I'm just going to mix everything together and then dish and style. Thank you so much for watching. If you love this video, please share and don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below if you are going to try this.